Marketing research is an interesting topic, and one of the things you have to understand about marketing in general is that it's really a collection of subspecialties. Uh, because they're just not going to let anybody off the street do true marketing research. There are firms that are dedicated to that, just like there are firms that are dedicated to, the media involved in advertising and things like that. And while they may do some simple research, true marketing research is often left to the specialists. This chapter, however, does a good job of laying out the process of research, and I know USF offers courses in marketing research, and there's real science to the stats behind it, which is really more of a mechanical process. But there's also some insight into how to design surveys and such, and that's very important because the key is to get data that will help you make decisions. And the first step, i.e., asking the right question or determining what is it that we really need to know, is the fundamental step that needs to be considered. So the things about good research, marketing metrics as well, the data that we have on hand, and this I alluded to in an earlier chapter about big data, and mining that data is a very important activity. And now, it's with the advent of online advertising and social media and things like that, the ability to do research online has opened up a pretty big vista that's done some really good things for researchers and small companies as well as big ones to really dive out there and find out what they need to know, and they can do it much cheaper. This chapter does a great job of outlining the pros and cons of various research tools, everything from traditional mail surveys or mailing postal surveys to focus groups. And so read this with an open mind, and understand that it's a vital activity, and that the tools exist now that make this way easier than it used to be. So enjoy chapter 4, and we will persevere.